This is my first impression of the O2O correcting powder. Hi everyone, so we have right now the O2O Soft Focus Correct Powder, and it has 3 shades. I have 01, 02, and 03. So let's open this up. Wow, okay, ito yung 03. Okay, this is 02. Oh, this one is kakaiba. 01, meron siyang purple, blue, and green. Purple is for the yellow tones. Green is to correct the red ones. And blue is to correct the orange. Sa color wheel, yung katapat niya, yun yung magka-cancel out ng color na yun. So, pag purple, ang katapat niya is yung yellow. Tapos, yung green, ang ka-cancel out niya is yung red. At yung blue, ika-cancel out niya yung orange. May ganun sa mukha nyo, that is the time that you will use the correctors. Itong si 02, marerecommend ko doon sa mga fair skin, yellow undertone. Kasi medyo may yellowish siya dito. Alam niyo yung banana powder before? Ganun siya. Tapos, ito naman si 03. Ito yung pwede sa mga morena. More on the neutral tones. Neutral undertone. Medyo darker kasi yung mixture nitong tatlo. As compared dito. This is what you'll see when you open it. Meron siyang puff. Ooh. This can be used. Halimbawa, nag-a-acidic ka, nag-orange ka na, para ka ng umpa-lumpa. Pwede mo tong ipang-correct. Ganyan, shake mo ng ganyan. Pag ginamit mo siya, parang yung tatlo ka agad yung gagamitin mo. So, this is the blue one. Ayan. Hindi mo rin naman siya mapipili ano yung lalabas. Ayan. So, let's try this out. Ayun. Ganun siya gagamitin. Yellow undertone na light skin. Ayan. Medyo pang mamputi talaga siya. And then, this one is number 03, ito naman siguro yung pwede sa mga morena. Pero if na-try nyo na to, at kung nag-flashback ba siya, let me know. Ayan. Medyo mas bagay na siya sa skin tone ko. Ito, yung parang peach, yun yung nagpapa-perfect nung ano ko. Para sa skin tone ko. Ayun lang yung challenging dito. I'm really not a fan of a puff. Pwede naman siyang i-bend-bend ng ganun. Yung ganyan, ganun. Mas ganun ko siya ginagamit. Kailangan lang itong i-break in. Ayan, ipapuff mo siyang ganyan. Para lumambot-lambot. So, 0, 1, 2, and 3. Let me know if you have already tried this one. So, I tried this before you buy. Let me know what you think. Bye!